people working to bring design thinking, project-based learning to the Memphis education community.
I came to this workshop because last year my teacher told me about Crosstown and it really piqued my interest.
So I thought this would be interesting workshop so that we can, one, hear from the students what it's like to incorporate students' voice into the school.
Part of the educational experience is to see how they can make change in the environment in which they learn every day.
It's exciting. I didn't know that we were actually going to interview students.
We interviewed 6 students who came in today. After we all discussed what each of them said, we put them on sticky notes, we put them into categories, and then we stuck them to the wall.
I think it's important to talk to students about high school so we can get their perception of what they want it to be like.
An important thing that I think that a school should have is to express the students' ideas and their talents.
It's really good to see us go back to the students and really hear what they had to say about these particular issues.
So I think it's important for people who are designing schools to get youth input. The youth are the ones that are experiencing it.
The student is the person whose future is at stake.
When you have students' opinion on how to make the school, more students will come, better learning will go on, and a more enjoyable year environment, however long you're going to be here, it's just going to make it much better.
We're so used to being in this particular structure. I start school at 8:30, I end at 3:30. No. We're telling you that you can do anything you like from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., whatever you want to do. So you can see the students struggling with not fitting into this box and really thinking about what we're asking.
It's inspiring to be creating school for other students.
I've had fun. I mean, normally having to work on a Saturday wouldn't be very pleasing for me, but I loved it. And what we've done so far with the teamwork and whatnot, it's been great.
This process is so amazing because it allows that all stakeholders actually have a voice in the product that's going to serve them themselves. And with that being done, you get to have everyone's need met at the same time.
It's really important that we're starting this conversation early, even though the school won't be opening for a couple of years. But I'm really excited to see how Crosstown will be designed with the needs of future Memphis students in mind.
Well, what I would hope for from a school like Crosstown High is a school that I can go to and get most definitely prepared for college. And not only college, but for life afterwards.
Schools like Crosstown are invested in the city, invested in preparing kids to help make our city a better place.